Skibbity dong dong, skibbity dong dong. Rasta man is high in the Kingston town, yeah man. Me wake up in the morning light, give thanks for life, give thanks for sight. The world still spin, the youth still cry. So me lift my voice to the sky. Oh no, 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 no. Me see too much confusion round. Bobby and sound try mash we down. But in my heart, the fire blaze. Jah wisdom guide me through the maze. Them can't stop love, we're pure and clean. Truth shine brighter than it seems. Me walk with courage, soul on fire. Burn down hate, lift love higher. Me see the struggle in the street, but every pain bring lessons sweet. No gold, no throne can take your place. Me feel the power in every face. Oh, tired people cry, but your spirit never die. When me chant, me feel it grow. Roots and culture overflow. Yeah. Light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand. Spread the light across the land. One land. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Me remember the elders say, truth comes slow but find its way. Me hold the faith through every storm. Jah protect and keep me warm. No envy, greed or vanity, just peace and unity. The system weak but soul still strong. We rise where we belong. Children laugh and elders smile. Hope return for a while. Roots musician beat the drum. Say the better day soon come. The rhythm travel through the crowd. Chant a freedom, chant aloud. Every man and woman free. In Jah harmony. Me no war, me no fight, me move in Jah light. Every color, every race come together, one embrace. The message clear, the vision true. Love is the way for me and you. We can light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand. Spread the light across the land. Walla. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Well, yeah. Light up the world, don't dim the shine. Bless the people, one divine. Rasta voice in every song. Lift the nation from the ground. All of them. Light up the world, stand tall, be true. Jah love dwell in me and you. So when the night feel cold and long, remember Jah within your song. Keep the flame, don't let it die. Light up the world, reach the sky. One love forever burn, till every soul returns.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Morning sun, rise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing, melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. nights of pain, when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain, joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek, Jah mercy ever see. Right of the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all, Jah love for all. Me no care about fame or crown, me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound, heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street, morning sun guide the feet. Elder preach you them learn. All hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No no fear, no shame, just glory in Jah name. Right up the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all, Jah love for all. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun, shine again, wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song, together we rise, we stand strong. Bada bim, bada boom. Coca cushion a me lung, ya man. Raw coin a the dawn. Rasta soldier still strong. Every block, every lane. Feel the lion reclaim. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me carry Jah name. Them try to trap the soul in fear, but lion heart no tear. City walls can't stop the sound. Roots vibration underground. Me no follow what them sell, me follow the inner bell. Jah call me loud in the breeze. Me spirit move with ease. Every youth a warrior born. From the night into the morn. Lion in this city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can't defeat. Peace and love forever reign. Rhythm carry through the pain. Peace and love forever reign. Rhythm carry through the pain. The elders chant from yard to gate. Love conquer hate. Every nation one sound. Jah kingdom spread around. The fire blazing at the eyes. Truth and justice never dies. From the corner to the park, lion heart ignite the spark. The youth them dance, the people cheer. Jah guidance always near. Me feel the spirit strong and free. Together chanting unity. Rise me people, hold the line. Righteous path divine. Jah protect from every fight. Lead we through the night. Lion in the city stand tall. No chain can hold we at all. From the east to the west side street, roots man heart can't defeat. So when the drum beat call again,
remember where it all began. Lion spirit never sleep. Jah promise, Jah people keep. Oh, Rasta man is high and meditate your man. From the dust and from the pain, Jah bring the roots again. Every seed we buried deep, now awake from holy sleep. The sun shine bright, the sky clear. Hear the voice we all can hear. Them think the culture fade away, but the roots no stray. Every drum beat, every rhyme, carry truth through time. Me see the youth them plant again in the heart of mountain plain. Roots no bend, roots no break. It grow for the people's sake. Me walk with pride, me walk with soul. Me chant for peace, me chant for whole. History written by the few, but Jah reveal what true. Them can't erase the lion roar. We stand firm forevermore. Me chant for unity, me chant for love. Every heart blessed from above. Rise at the roots, rise again. Watch the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. Plant the love, watch it grow. Let the righteous always know. Me see the children dance and sing. Roots vibration, healing bring. Ancient stories still untold, worth more than silver or gold. Me teach the youth, fi honor the land. Keep Jah spirit close at hand. Elder teaching a market square. Keep the roots, show the care. Every hand plant seed of love. Blessing come from up above. Me hear the rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song. Roots connect every soul. We all part of one whole. Me see the sign, me see the time. Jah reason through the rhyme. Yeah. Rise of the roots, rise again. Wash the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. So keep the roots within your hand. It build a nation, heal the land. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Zion reggae, yeah, in the darkness, small but true, lantern of faith shine for you. Not of power, not of pride, lantern of joy always guide. Babylon lights can't blind the sight. Lantern of faith bring pure light. Every glow of prophecy. Lantern shine eternally. Not of silver, not
Ganja is my medicine, yeah man. I ganja, yeah. Yeah, man. Burning bright, never cease. Eternal flame, bring me peace. Not of anger, not of war. Flame of Jah forevermore. Babylon chain can't control. Flame ignite the people's soul. Every spark a holy fire. Flame uplift and inspire. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Children warm, the youth rejoice. Flame
it sing the word. Zion song always heard. Forever holy, never fall. Zion song for all. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion song meek and mild. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song, Jah friend. No Babylon can stop the flow. Zion song always show. Forever
override. Ocean carry Zion tide. Generation come and go. Ocean of strength still flow. Morning sun reflects so bright. Ocean shine in your light. Moon and star above declare. Ocean blessings everywhere. Not of vanity, not of greed. Ocean give what people need. Everlasting, strong and true. Ocean guide both me and you. Every creature, big and small. Ocean hold them one and all. Whale a sing and dolphin play. Ocean chant Jah every day. Prophets walk the sandy coast. Ocean praise Jah Holy Ghost. Eternal water never cease. Ocean of strength bring peace. Flow, flow, mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Roll, roll, waves so strong. Ocean chant Jah holy song. Ocean of strength, deep and free. Carry the world in unity. Wash the sorrow, heal the pain. Ocean of Zion still remain. Forever mighty, never dry. Ocean of Jah most high.
Seal of my rastas, me stone and Svetka by me side, ja man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling. Me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring. Just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try, split the vibe. We meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She say, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start to pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me not alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon, true light that carry on. Me empress me backbone, together we build Zion throne. Me reason, me melody, she keep me steady like prophecy. No fiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion of love, of roots, of soul, and that make the Rasta old. Sealer, sealer.
Ay, 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 Zion inna the pove. Yeah man, me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's all. This a the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright, we burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm for a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Bone a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under just sky. Roll your herbs and ride away on the roots highway. Come what may.
Ay, 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 ay. Kaya and meditate, yeah, man. Me walk alone pan a path of stone, far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity, just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow, roots dig deep and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In a the quiet I grow, like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to their conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me root strong. In a the quiet I grow, Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at your gate. In a the quiet I know, everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. In a the quiet I grow. Me nah chase what them show. Me nah dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. In a the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I, far from loud. In a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. In a the silence, Jah blessing flow.
light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing, we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse. Teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate, but we elevate, now participate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire, we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart, are the compass true. No clock rule, what Jaman do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, the soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice.
Na na na, ganja is the medicine, yeah man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden jar root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden lush and green. Sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name. It feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow. Forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tide.
garden still carry on.
Nah. Roll a spliff in the morning, yeah, man. In the dark, before the day, morning star, light the way, shining bright, so pure, so near. Morning star, remove the fear. Babylon night can't stay too long. Morning star, sing righteous song. Every beam, a prophecy. Morning star, eternity. Children rise and youth proclaim. Morning star, in Jah name. Elders chant and clap the hand. Morning star, across the land. Not of pride, not of greed. Morning star, fulfill the need. Every sparkle, strong and true. Morning star, for me and you. Traveler lost upon the road. Morning star, ease the load. Ocean wave and valley deep. Morning star, awake the sleep. Babylon tower, fall apart. Morning star, heal the heart. Generation, look above. Morning star, of endless love. Prophets speak and poets sing. Morning star, new life bring. Every nation go and pray. Morning star, guide today. Everlasting, bright and free. Morning star, for you and me. From creation till the end. Morning star, remaining friend. When the dawn begin to rise, morning star, light the skies. Moonlight fade, sun draw near. Morning star, still appear. All creation testify. Morning star, never die. Inna the hills, we build me hut. Inna the hills, we build me hut. Smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds a sing, rhythm on the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me
no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in my soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I where life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in the morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta vice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Man chase shadow and dream, blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up ya so me find me breath, away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass, teach I lesson, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in the yard, life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in the hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me them unnatural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with itals too and deep meditation. Come fi visit, but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring the sound from hillside art to world around. Up early when the sun's still sleeping, steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside, Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame, me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in a heart, fire in a soul, we live in the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine, herbs burn strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply, Rasta reach high in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise, just clean meditation. Open eyes, open eyes. inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars, ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel, we reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system, we give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up, fill me chalice, pour Jacob. In a silence me hear the sound, heartbeat of earth, so profound. This ain't no fiction, no fairy tale, this is real life roots and sacred trail. Open eyes, and when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around, no lies can shake this holy ground. Me tread in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown, me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. Youth them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call your name. Me teach about herbs, me teach about drum, how to hear your voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high, blaze a meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power in a lion's strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay in a roots temple where the drums still play, where time slow down and thoughts get clean, where we sip vitality and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame, roots temple. Remember the name. Remember the name.
Hear the earth. Yeah. Hear the earth, she sings so sweet. Every rhythm, every beat. Not of Babylon, not of war. Song of Zion, evermore. River flow and mountain sing. Earth proclaim your king. Every sound a prophecy. Earthly song, eternity. Children dance and youth rejoice. Song of earth is Jah
Prophets chant and angels pray. Song of earth light the way. Every nation bow and know. Song of Zion still glow. Everlasting, pure and free. Song of earth for you and me. From creation till today. Song of earth never fade away. Birds a chant and wind a blow. Song of earth continue grow. All creation testify. Song of Jah never die. Eternal chorus bold and strong. Song of earth forever long. Everlasting, true and free. Song of Zion unity. Sing, sing, holy ground. Song of earth is just sound.